What's up, guys? It's your boy Mr. Rockoff Johnson here with another video. Real quick, before we get on with this video, let's go ahead and oh, hi. Let's go ahead and push our problems to the side because cicada. There's a cicada right there. Terrifying. I have a fun video for you guys today. Y'all know I love taking people for rides in my car. So real quick, in case you don't know what this is my 2014 Scion FRS. It has a turbocharger on it, drag radials. You can just go and look at the previous video. There should be a card coming up somewhere up here talking about everything that's done to it. But it has somewhere, why I say somewhere, because it still honestly has some pump gas in the tank, but it is on E85. It has somewhere between 460 and 380 wheel horsepower right now. So yeah, this is about to be a lot of fun. And of course, as you just saw, I have my friend Keita here. How you doing? Now, you have never rode in this car before.
This is my first time seeing this thing.
Yeah, in fact, she literally just got a quick rundown on the history of the car and the building and everything. So this is gonna be a lot of fun. You haven't even seen under the hood yet, right? Of course you guys have seen under the hood, but are you ready for this?
I'm ready.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Yeah, so there's been quite a bit of work done to this. As you can see, of course, the turbo right there. It's not a big turbo, but it's called a ball bearing turbo.
Right.
So basically there's the wheel that's inside of it that spins, that gives it the compression it needs to go fast and pum pum. It spins way faster than like a regular bearing turbo, I guess is what you would call it. I don't really know, just drop down in the comments. Either way, it's a ball bearing turbo, so it spins faster, which gives me a pretty cool advantage because I build boost quick and various other knickknacks, but this is the engine of a race car.
Yeah, I'm trying to see how this ride out.
Yeah. Oh, you haven't heard it or anything. Oh, this is about to be fun. I tell you what, oh, don't hop in it yet, because I'm gonna sit this right here while I start this car. I gotta get your reaction. It might shut off. It might shut off the first time. E85, but if I get it working. Yeah. You smell that? That sweet smell? Yeah, that's that E85. No, don't do it. Don't shut off. There you go. Come on. Don't do it. There we go. See, just gotta talk to her. Come on, baby. Yeah, look at that. The moment Dad touches, I get you. She come right on down. Thank you, Sugarfoot. I appreciate you. But it gives it this low rumble. Yeah, there we go.
When's the last time you drove this car?
Maybe last week. Everything's flooded. Oh, the street is flooded. That's like that was maybe like 10% throttle. It's so ridiculous. It's so excessive, and I love this car so much. Cool. So what have you rode in before?
Really just my dad's Mustangs. That's it.
Oh, he got Mustangs. Oh, he's got a booster? Oh, your dad goes fast. This ain't no booster. This'll maybe be the 600.
Yeah.
But yeah, I don't know about no booster. I ain't got.
You be doing it.
Yeah. Now Mustangs, I don't know what's done to this Mustang, but Mustangs, all right, I give a Mustang some problems.
Yeah.
Big problems.
He actually working on one right now.
Oh, that's cool.
Just got it. I don't know what it is.
If he ever goes to Cecil County Raceway, Bald guy with a beard.
Bald guy with a beard.
I am always down for it. So looking at my E85 meter, it's coming up E57. So we aren't even on full E. That ain't even full power. This isn't even my final form. So I'm gonna say I'm gonna run on a track star. Oh, student driver. Sorry. Sorry, student driver. Let's. Oh my gosh.
I really didn't think about that going into outer space.
Yeah, I like that.
That's a little room.
Yeah, man. Thank you, I appreciate it. What's your Instagram?
Black and Dawn.
Black and Dawn? Alright, cool, I'm gonna follow you. Mr. Rockoff Johnson on Instagram. Yeah, I got you. We love that.
We love to see it.
Yeah, this is why I love Baltimore, man. I keep telling y'all, man, through these videos, y'all seen a different side of Baltimore. Everybody isn't aggressive. Everybody is aggressive. Everybody isn't a killer. Nobody really wants to rob you. Everyone is really, for the most part, nice and kind-hearted. Just don't cross anybody the wrong way and don't go in certain neighborhoods at night. Just like any other place. Exactly. If it's not your hood, why would you go there at night? 90s? He got a Fox body Mustang.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Yeah. That Mustang weighs just as much as this.
Okay. Yeah. I believe that.
So, your daddy car with 400 horsepower.
Yeah, I gotta show him. He was like, yo, I'm about to hook my whole Mustang up. Like, he already hooking it up. Like, I can't wait to
Hey, you can show him my video.
Turbo and all that on it too. Like, I can't wait till you finish that thing.
Oh, he's got turbo on it?
She bumping.
Hey, oh, hey.
Oh my
Hey.
God.
Yeah. Isn't it? Oh my God, you took the words out of my mouth. Yeah, this
I
ain't
love that stuff.
Huh? A lot. It's 460 to the wheels. Yeah, auto car too. Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. Hey, see, look at that.
That's tough. That's love.
I love that. Oh, that E85 smoke coming through my vents whenever I stop.
Yeah, I smell it.
Guys, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm kinda annoyed right now. All because some of my files got corrupted. So I don't have any of the other footage. But so I am bummed about that, but I'm sure you guys can see that was a great experience having my homegirl Keita with me. I guess I'll just have to get her to come and do another video because you guys don't even know what she said. I mean, I can tell you that she loved it. I'm pretty sure you can see that she loved it. And she was very excited the entire time and everything. But yeah. I don't really have anything else to say, honestly. If you are not subscribed, be sure to subscribe. Make sure you get the merch. Merch link is down in the description below. Let me know what else you guys want to see on the channel. I will surely make it. And as always, guys, you stay classy, stay positive, and have a good day.